Hi friends, welcome once again to my channel, My Passion, My Perfume. Friends, today's we'll talk about the ingredients of Black Oud as I have promised in my last videos. So today I'll let you know what are the ingredients, ingredients are used in Black Oud. I have selected this Black Oud fragrance because this Black Oud is quite appreciated and very famous fragrance by the name of Black Oud. So that is because most of you people must have used it or must be acquainted with this Black Oud fragrance. So it's quite easy to understand the things. Fine, so without wasting any time, I'll start the experiment. So please do write the names of the ingredients. Now, mainly, I will let you know only three ingredients. First is IBQ, that is Butyl Quinoline, and second is Castoreum, third is Styrax, and fourth one is Benzyl Benzote that will use it as a solvent. Fine. So let's start the experiment. Chemicals which we are going to use here in Black Oud, these are all synthetic chemicals, synthetic aromatic chemicals. Fine. So let's start the experiment without wasting the time. First we'll take the beaker and note down the quantity of the ingredients. First is isobutyl quinoline, that is 2 grams. I will take isobutyl 2 grams, so I'm having over here, and simply I will take with this isobutyl. This is isobutyl quinoline and known as IBQ. Now second is Castoreum, so we'll take Castoreum, and Castoreum is 3 grams, so we'll take Castoreum 3 grams. One grams, two grams, three grams. The total is yet now it's 5 grams, 2 grams IBQ, 3 grams Castoreum. Now we'll take Styrax. Styrax is 5 grams. So Styrax 5 grams. Literally I will take Styrax here only. Styrax 5 grams. Styrax 5 grams. Okay, so we'll add Styrax 5 grams. Now this is the basic IBQ 2 grams, Castoreum 3 grams, and Styrax 5 grams. So this is the basic concentrated. Now we have to add the solvent, that is Benzyl Benzote. So we'll use it Benzyl Benzoate 10 grams. Benzyl Benzoate 10 grams. Sorry. So this is my this is not in dark color. We have to add the color to make it brown, black, whatever it is. Usually sometimes Castoreum is dark in color, light in color. Even IBQ has a variation in colors. So if you want to make it black, red, brown, whatever, you have to add the color. Simple. So friends, this is our Black Oud basic compounds. Now only these 3 or 4 chemicals doesn't make this Black Oud. There are more chemicals to be put inside. Now since I have given an idea about the fragrance of Black Oud, now you people just let me know what will be the other ingredients or aroma chemicals, natural oils could be used in this to make a good oud perfumes like Black Oud. No doubt this will smell like Black Oud only. but still we need some finishing, some gaps has to be filled, some fineness, smooth transition has to be created, so we have to use some other oils, chemicals, oils, maybe natural oils. So please friends, let me know in my comments, and please do write all this your suggestion comments in the comments only, so other can see it. And in next video I'll tell you what are the other chemicals will be added to make it black oud or similar to black oud. Or meanwhile you you do this experiment at your home. If you have any queries, please do write me in my mail. Take very good care of yourself. Bye.